So, hi, I'm Stefan from Germany. A few speakers talked about ChatGPT already, and I thought I'd give my 2 cents about what I experienced, my unique things. I hope you find it as entertaining as I thought. So, maths, I think it has to be improved with math. I asked it, what's the primitive of 1 divided by 1 minus x? And it responded, it's essentially ln 1 minus x. And then it gives a bit of math, deduced it, and in the end, its result is minus ln 1 minus x. It failed to copy its own result into its answer correctly. It lost the minus sign. So when you ask it, it makes follow-up errors then. If you ask what's the integral between 0 and 1, it will give you a negative number, and it has to be positive. And if you point that out, it says, oh, you're right. I made a mistake. It has to be positive. I have to change the sign. So it just cheats to get the real result. It's amazing. Not mathematically sound. Facts, we've heard about that before. This is my favorite example. I saw two people talking on YouTube about chess, and one said, I heard about Bobby Fischer as a kid in a rap song, but I don't remember the rapper. So I thought, I'd give it a try. Is there a rap song about Bobby Fischer? And sure there is. Bobby Fischer is a song by Loop Fiasco in his album Food and Liquor 2, 2012. It even sums up the content of the song, says here mental health struggles of Bobby Fischer's in there, and guess what? That's a lie, it doesn't exist. The guy exists, the album exists, but there is no such song on it. What it is good at is generating text. I don't like writing emails. I can use ChatGPT to do that. I have a server behind a firewall without access to the public internet. I want to access a specific IP on the internet. Please write an email to the firewall admin to request this access. And this happily does. Dear firewall administrator and whatnot, it's all in there. It even has a passage about, oh, I know about the security implications. So it not only has it understood my request, it also understood the implications and generated a text accordingly. And it is interactive. Next question. Please make it less formal. I didn't like it as formal. And it does so. Hi there, and now it's more friendly. So I could use this with modifications, obviously, and send it as an email. So I thought, this formalness, how can I make it even less formal? And I'd ask it, can you write it in the form of a rap song? And sure it can. So this is just verse 1. Yo, listen up, firewall admin. It has in total 3 verses, 3 times a chorus, and an outro. It's really nice and labeled too. So, oh, fan fiction, please try this. Use ChatGPT. What if we combine Doctor Who and Warhammer 40k? The Doctor travels to the 41st century of Warhammer 40k, write a short story about what happens. And it does. It has everything about Doctor Who, so we see the TARDIS mentioned there. It goes on and on below. The Doctor is at one point asked, who are you? And he responds, well, I'm the Doctor. So this line is in there. Warhammer 40k is represented. It's depicted as a depressing, dark future. We have space marines here. Later on, there will be chaos demons, and the Doctor fights them off. It's very nice. Do this stuff. It's fun. I asked it, I have a friend. She likes comics about dwarves. Describe a day in her life. And it makes up all kind of things. She works in a comic book store. She has nerdy hobbies. Whoa. Hobbits too. And yeah, describe when a customer enters her shop. Oh yeah, it's describe the scene. And what happens if a dwarf enters her shop and wants her help? Oh, she's surprised. She didn't think dwarves are real, but they have a little adventure. It's all described. And I keep getting back to this example, to this conversation, and it remembers everything. And I just keep adding stuff to it, and it comes up with more and more story. And I call this the Coco Cinematic Universe. Now, yeah, I sent this to my friend Coco, actually. Yeah, that's it. Have fun with ChatGPT. It sucks when you try to get facts because it makes things up. But if you want to make things up, that's wonderful. Thank you.